Hi dear friends, I wish you health, happiness and blue sky, and in today's video I'm going to share with you some nouns and adjectives that you can turn into verbs by means of two suffixes. But before you start watching this video, make sure that you have subscribed to this channel, press the like button, write a comment and share this video in social media accounts. So let's start. These two suffixes are these ones, like eyes and if-I, let's say. And first, let's start with this eyes, I-Z-E. So let's start from the word legal. You know what's legal. Legal is something that is according to the law, like legal issues, legal terms, and so on. You can change this adjective legal into a verb, legalize. For example, you can say, the government has decided to legalize some drugs. Legalize some drugs, make legal the usage of these drugs. Let's go to the next word. It's nation. Nation is a noun, but we can make it nationalize. I hope you know what's nation. The folk, the people living in one country. And when we make it nationalized, it means that the government is going to take under control something. For example, we can say that our government has decided to nationalize the airways. The synonym of nationalize is privatize. You can also use privatize and nationalize. The next word is vandal. Vandal is a noun. It's a person who damages or destroys something. But we can make a verb, vandalize. For example, you can say that several young men vandalized this monument. So they destroyed it, or they did something bad with this monument, like they dyed it or broke it and so on. The next word is character. I hope you know this word because it's very common word in many languages, and it's like a feature or a quality of a person. It's a way of behavior, and we can change this character noun into a verb. We can say characterize. Characterize is like to describe something, to show his or her quality. For example, I can say that I can characterize my friend as a calm, peaceful person. The next word is visual. Visual is an adjective. It's something that can be seen, but we can make it like visualize. For example, when you say that when I read a book, I always try to visualize the events written in this book. The synonym of visualize is imagine. You can use imagine or visualize. Let's go to the next nouns or adjectives that we can turn into verb with if-I, let's say, I-F-Y. The first word is intense. Intense is something strong. And when you say intensify, you make something even stronger. For example, you can say that the news has intensified the situation around this new virus. Next word is solid. Solid is something, again, it's something tough, maybe. So solid. So this surface is solid. And solidify, make something solid. You can say that when the liquid is getting cold, it solidifies. The next word is pure. Pure is something clear. It's like a substance, let's say, which is free of any particles, which is free of any toxic elements, substances, and so on. For example, you can say purify, to purify the water, like to make it clear, to make it clean, purify. The next word is quantity. Quantity is something that can be shown as a number or as an amount. Quantify, to show something as a number. For example, you can say it's difficult to quantify the damage that was done. Let's look at the next one. It's peace. Peace is something calm, like quiet, calm atmosphere. You can make it a verb by means of "-ify", like pacify. For example, you can say, I tried to pacify my friend. I tried to pacify my friend who was angry with this situation. Well, these were some words that you can turn easily into verbs by means of eyes and "-ify". I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video on social media accounts. See you soon.